Hello friends, welcome to the 6th day of Mindful Art Journaling program. Looking forward or moving forward our nature, discovering more and more, let's dive into the new prompt for today, and that is river. I know you might not be able to go to the river today and observe, but just think of the moment when you have visited some river, when you've been with some river. How does it feel? If your child has been through this experience, well and good. Otherwise, share your experience with the child. You can show some rivers, flowing movement of the water on the computer or on your phones to your child. Observe them. Listen to their sounds. Enjoy how, without any efforts, how river just moves, flows. In spite of all the obstacles, it just keep on flowing. That flowing takes care of each and everything. That is very important message for us in our life, to just keep on flowing. Not to be scared of things, not developing any fear or any obstacles from our thought process. In fact, just flowing with our trust, with our own unique self, with our own powers, and overcoming all the hassles in life. So-called hassles, I would say. Yes. So, take the inspiration from the river. Draw something related to the flow. How you see that flow? How does it come to you? Just make some wavy lines, some curvy lines. Paint them in different blues, different shades of blues, different tints of blues. Just play with the color and make some obstacles in between. You can even name the obstacles, like, you can say, you have some project which is not happening, or if your child is facing some problem, you can just mention those stones there and just make your river move above them. Give yourself that power, that you have that immense energy to overcome any kind of obstacles which comes. You have the power to make every problem as a stepping stone and cross it over. Enjoy doing this exercise. This adds on a lot to your emotional and mental well-being. I look forward to see a wonderful drawings coming from all of you. When I say wonderful, it doesn't mean that I'm expecting a lot of huge artwork. No, just a beautiful expression of yours. Thank you so much.